Hey guys, welcome back to Shakorina by Hobby. This is an English talkover, so if you're looking for the Tigrinya talkover, is down below. Dealing with dry hair, brittle, dry, and curls that just don't want to act right? Well, guess what? I got a DIY hair treatment for you. And it's so simple and it's natural. And if you watch my videos, well, if you have subscribed, then you watch my videos, you know that I always do DIY skincare and DIY hair masks. And this one right here I'm going to share with you guys is very simple. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and comment and share below. So to do this deep conditioning treatment, it's like I said, it's so simple. All you really need is coconut milk, a ripe banana, and a tablespoon of honey. So basically you're gonna put, if you have a blender, if you don't have a blender, you can actually use a fork to mix everything, but I'm using a blender. So don't forget to actually use the inside part of the peel because that has actually a lot of nutrients to it. So don't forget that when you're making this mask. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys why I chose a banana. I honestly love bananas. Like, I eat them and they're in my diet. I love them, but they're so good for your hair and so good for your skin. So I always try to incorporate them in a lot of my masks. So yeah, you guys are gonna need a tablespoon of honey. I'm using regular honey. You guys can use any honey you like. I don't have there's no preference to what kind of honey you want to use as long as you're using honey. Another thing is I'm going to be using coconut milk. I'm going to use a canned coconut milk. I don't drink canned coconut milk just because I just don't drink or eat anything that's from a can. But I'm going to be using this Goya brand, and I think I paid like $1 for it or $1.29 for it. You're going to need about 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. And once you get all the ingredients in your cup, you're gonna blend it. Simple as that. All right, so let me tell you guys why I chose to use these, why I chose these ingredients. So coconut milk, I love coconut milk. I use coconut oil on my skin and on my hair regularly. It's so beneficial. It has so many antioxidants and nutrients that's just so good for our skin and for our hair. So that's one of the reasons why I added it to my mask. And another thing is coconut milk is high in fatty acids, and fatty acids are good for our hair. It also has protein. Coconut actually has protein as well. It's not as a lot of protein, but it's a good amount of protein that's good for our hair. And if you know, our hair is made up of protein, so it's good to use some type of protein in our hair to make it stronger. And honey is a good way to hydrate our hair and moisturize our hair. So, and it's antibacterial and antifungal, so it's good to apply on our hair as well. So that's one of the reasons why I added these ingredients to this mask. They're so beneficial for people who have dry hair, and people who have curly hair. You guys already know our hair tends to dry up really fast, and I don't like when my curls are dry because it just looks a hot mess when that happens. So I deep condition my hair about once a week, and well, I use this conditioning treatment once a week. But if you watch my previous video, I talked about the Alba Botanica products that I use, and I usually deep condition with the conditioner. I think it's called Drink It Up coconut milk conditioner. I use that to condition my hair. But anyways, let's get back to this video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply this mask all over your hair, and I like to apply it in my scalp first and massage it into my scalp, and then I like to go further down into my hair and just apply it everywhere. You're gonna like drench your hair with this mask. And like I said, it's so good for our hair. It's so beneficial because people tend to have brittle hair and hair that starts to break off and split and have split ends because our hair is so dry. But if our hair is moisturized and it's getting moisture, then our hair tends to it promotes our hair to grow. And another thing is it doesn't have our hair falling off and breaking off and being dry and brittle. So the good thing to promote hair growth is to always moisturize your hair and to always use products that are going to moisturize your hair and not dry it out. So like I said, that's one of the reasons why I use coconut milk, because coconut milk definitely hydrates our hair, and it has a lot of hydrating properties to it. It's high in fatty acids, which are good for our hair, and but bananas, potassium, like potassium is so good for our hair as well. It does promote it to grow. It hydrates our hair as well, and it conditions our hair. And if our hair is hydrated and conditioned, well, one, our curls are going to be way softer and they're going to look less dry, and you want your hair to be moisturized. Like I said, it's so beneficial for your hair to be moisturized because it promotes hair growth and your hair is stronger, and so many good benefits. I mean, the list can go on. So I'm gonna use this plastic cap. You guys can use a plastic cap. You can use a plastic bag. You can use anything that's plastic-like to cover your hair. And I'm going to leave this deep conditioning treatment in my hair for about 25 minutes. And after that, I am going to wash my hair. Yeah, so when it comes to washing my hair, after this treatment, I don't use shampoo to wash my hair. I co-wash, so I use a coconut, I use the coconut milk conditioner from Alba. That's what I use, but you guys can use any conditioner that you like, just because I don't want to strip all that moisture that mask just gave me by using a shampoo. So I just co-wash and use a conditioner. But yeah, so I do this about once a week, and I love the way my hair feels afterwards, and I love that my hair stays curly, and you know, well, my hair is naturally curly, but I'm saying it, like, the curls last longer and they're not as dry and brittle during the week. So that's the reason why I love using this mask. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment if you want to see other videos. And like I said, I'm doing a lot more videos in English because I do a lot of them in my native language, Tigrinya. But I'm going to start doing them more in English for you guys who follow me on Instagram that don't understand my language. So there's always going to be an English version to the Tigrinya version. So all right guys, so like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment any ideas that you would like me to post. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.